are we being too dismissive of how much could Macron achieve in one day?
Well, it depends. What is the objective? I think that the individuals that your guests who just spoke really care about peace, and it's true that when you watch Libya, you really tend to wind up caring about actual peace, and maybe it's not the primary objective of France this time around. There was
Not
no
the
mention.
primary objective?
No.
What was the objective then for Emmanuel Macron?
Then you have the international dimension. You have all the opportunities, afforded by the fact that Trump is obviously not interested in Libya anymore, and he's not necessarily happy with how France is handling the file. But obviously, it's clear that France now is in charge. Italy is being absorbed by its own domestic politics. You could say the same about Germany to a certain extent. So just looking at the international dimension, you could explain pretty much all of the timing and the mentality. I'm not saying it's cynical. I'm not even saying it's a bad thing. But you have to realize that a lot of people can live with the conflict in Libya. Probably not the Italians, because if you look at the migration wave, it really reaches Italy, not Marseille here in France. But and if you look at the Emirates, who are even farther away, and you look at Turkey, all these people can live with the current conflict as it exists for a couple more years, 5 more years, no problem. So, and I think that's the most interesting part in the Paris summit, is that you've had so many African states showing up. And Africa, because it's there, because they're just right by Libya, they tend to care about peace and calm and actual resolution. So you have all those points of view being mixed in one room, and it's interesting to kind of follow the various.
An international community that can continue to live with the conflict is the